Hello everyone, my name is Jem and I'm here to help you improving your English language. Well, I have a bachelor's degree in international relations and upon graduation from university, I completed an internship program in Brno, Czech Republic in one of the world's most innovative nanotechnology company. Well, when we think about the advantages of the internet, we easily realize that there is no longer borders among countries. That is to say, to learn or to improve a language, we don't have to move to a specific country anymore. Taking this into account, I would like to use my English tutoring experience and help to those who would like to improve their English, especially in speaking, business English, and grammar. I have been delivering English lessons to my students in different levels since 2019 September. Well, if you are interested, I invite you to contact me for personal lessons. Bye.